What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I did something different and I let you guys choose which nails I would be putting on in the video, and this is what you guys chose. So the funny thing about that is I was already going to put the white on, and then I went and had you guys to vote. So I did my nails and came back and you guys voted for what I had already did. So that was really funny. I'm going to start out with some cuticle oil, and you will just see me apply that all around my cuticle areas. So I'm taking this wooden cuticle pusher and I'm just pushing back my cuticles. It might look like I'm going at it really aggressively. I'm not. The video is just sped up, and I'm going to do this for each nail, and this will kind of help push the cuticles out of the way. So I'm not following the direct instructions from the box. I'm just doing it my own way and just showing you guys pretty much what I do and how I do them. So I basically, after I get done with the cuticle oil, I go and wash my hands, and then I apply, I don't know what happened to the footage, but I basically apply nail polish remover and alcohol just to make sure that there isn't any oil on my nail beds. That way it'll help it to stay longer because nothing sticks to an oily surface. So when I'm in a rush and I'm trying to hurry up and get the nails on, I would just literally put like a dot of glue on the nails and on the artificial nails, and then I will apply it to my nails. But when I'm trying to get them to last a little bit longer and I have time and I'm not in a rush, what I would do is basically put the glue on, and I'll go kind of like in a U shape or in the shape of my cuticle, and then I'll put some on the artificial nail, so that way there's glue on my nail and on the press-ons. And then I take that and then I just push it on, and then I hold it down for a few seconds. So yeah, that's pretty much what I do. And then I take the wooden pusher, the wooden cuticle pusher, and I just use that to just swipe off some of that excess glue that comes out. And the glue is coming out because I used too much, obviously. But yeah, I just use that wooden pusher to take some of that glue off, as you can see. So press-ons are a really great option if you just really don't have it in your schedule to go to the nail shop, and it helps you to save money and you can still look cute. Like for my anniversary pictures, I didn't have time to go to anybody's nail salon, honey. I barely had time for the stuff I did. So on the way to the shoot, I just put my nails on in the car. So these are a great time saver as well as a money saver. I was just asking my sister if she wears them, and she was like, oh no, I don't wear them. I'm like, girl, but I remember back in the day, people would not be caught dead wearing press-ons, but press-ons have really stepped up. Like, they have really stepped up over this last couple of years, and they really been catching my eye. Like when I go in the store and I see them, I'm like, oh my gosh, these are really cute. Then I'll stare at it for a while, and then I end up buying it, and I won't put them on probably for like a couple of weeks or a couple of days. But I'm going to link and shout out this black business, which this black business owner, she has her own line of press-ons. What you're seeing me do here is just basically filing off that little, I don't know what those little things are that are always at the tip of the press-ons, but you can easily get rid of that by filing it. And I just take my file, I don't go left or right, I just go left. So that's what you're seeing me do. But yeah, you guys, I'm going to link this black business owner who also makes has her own line of press-ons, and I want you guys to follow her and make sure you just, make sure you support her. Let's level the game, about to take my crumbs back. Resurrected from the dust, about to take my So generally, as a rule of thumb, what I try to do is apply the glue to the nail, and after I do that, I press and hold it for about 10 seconds. Now in this video, you don't see me holding them down for that long. I was trying to move quick for the sake of the video, but as the old saying go, do as I say, not as I do. So what helps me when I'm applying my press-ons is having all of my nails lined up and have all of my sizes pretty much laid out. And I'm doing the same thing that I did on my left hand on my right hand. So last step is applying lotion, and look at how gorgeous these nails look. Like, these nails are bomb. So if you like these types of videos, please let me know in the comment section. Please let me know. And if you are team acrylic, let me know. Or if you are team press-ons, let me know. I'm team whichever one I got time for. I just wanted to show you guys that even if you don't have the time, you can still, look cute and just ball on a budget. And thank you guys so much for watching.